Having trouble with the automatic time zone feature on your Windows 11 PC? No sweat, I've got you covered with a quick fix. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, head over to your computer setting, then navigate to Time and Language. Next up, click on Date and Time. Now, if Set Time Zone Automatically is off, toggle it on. After that, hit the search icon and type in Run. Click on Run in the search results. Following that, type timedate.cpl into the field and hit Enter. You'll see a new window pop up. Simply switch to the Internet Time tab and hit the Change Settings button. Make sure to tick the box that says Sync Time with an Internet Time Server from the window that appears. Select time.nist.gov from the menu and hit Enter. Once the clock is synchronized, click OK. Then click OK again to close the window. Now, let's search for services. Click on Services from the search results. Find the Auto Time Zone Updater service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and then OK. Right-click on it once and choose Start from the menu. And voila! Set Time Zone Automatically should be up and running smoothly. And that's all there is to it, folks. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.